But it's just the fact that you know what I'm saying, you might got $20, but you don't want to go in there and spend the whole 20, you know what I'm saying? So you gonna spend maybe 10 and then still your other little $4, $5 worth so you can have your money.
What's up, YouTube? It's Bella D, and you already know what the ML stand for. Okay, so today we doing this nail swatch and review on the Mia Secret acrylic system in the color Fruity. Let's get everything set up. I'm using a size 14 Kolinsky brush and this Mia Secret liquid monomer, which I highly recommend if you're going to be using the Mia Secret acrylics. This is the way I always pour my monomer inside my dish. It just prevents it from splashing and spills. So we're going to get started with this first color called Cake. It's like a light pink Barbie color, and all acrylics come with a seal on it, which is good, especially, you know, when you order acrylic online. It just be wasted everywhere and the jar be half full. Y'all know how that go. The next color is called Ice Cream, and it's a hot pink color. These two pinks are two of my favorite colors to wear on my nails, period. I'm always doing like some sort of pink and white, whatever. That is so pretty. Next is Citrus, which is like that neon lime green color. It's not glow in the dark, but Mia Secret does sell glow in the dark colors. It's kind of hard to find Mia Secret products just because I don't think they sell them on their website. You would have to go through a third-party seller like Amazon, but I get my Mia Secret products from my local nail supply store. This next color is Lemon, which is that bright green color. It kind of reminds me of, y'all know when we used to draw pictures back in elementary with the house and the grass and the tree on the left with the sun in the corner. But that's the color I used to always color my trees in. It's that bright green color. And one thing I love about Mia Secret acrylics, especially when you're using the monomer to go with it, is they're kind of self-leveling. So if you put a large bead on the nail and just kind of let it sit there, it kind of levels itself out. Especially when you have the nail angled down, so it works with gravity and it just flows by itself and levels out. This color is orange. It's just a bright orange color. It's almost neon. I like to mix this one with other colors and do kind of a marble or ombre. It's really pretty like that. And I just want to show y'all how hard it is to take this seal off. I use like 3 different things and this worked best for me. I should have just took all of them off before I started this video, and it would have saved me a lot of time, but just something to look forward to if you plan on ordering these. This color is called Banana. In the jar, it looks like a bright yellow, but it's not really that bright. It's more of like a sunflower yellow, but this color is really pretty, like ombre, and it's more of like a neutral color yellow to use on darker skin tones. I think it's really pretty. Next, we have this color called Green Tea, and see, it's like a dark green color. Y'all, this color looks so good with like gold accents or some kind of gold, even diamonds on it. Oh, I love green and gold together. So that's what it looks like. And next we have Candy Apple. Now, red and black, in my opinion, no matter what brand you get, are the 2 hardest colors to work with. They're always so messy and just get everywhere. So my tip, if you're using these colors, is just use smaller beads because the colors are really thick and you don't need a lot to spread it out. And just make sure your bead is not too wet so it don't be too messy. Next is Grape, which is a purple color. Now, again, in my opinion, I feel that no matter what brand you use, purple and blues are going to be the more translucent or transparent colors. You can add more layers to get it more opaque. Or what I like to do is once you dip your brush in your acrylic and get your bead, use the other side of your brush that doesn't have the acrylic on it and tap it on your paper towel to drain some of the excess liquid. And that will just make your bead of acrylic more opaque, and you won't have to use as many layers to get that depth of color that you want. If you want it transparent, then that's fine. You can just use more liquid in your brush. And the same for the blue. It's kind of transparent. If I was doing a set on someone, then I would probably make the colors a little deeper. But for swatch purposes, I was satisfied with the results I got. And at this point, y'all, I would change the liquid monomer because you see how dark it's got over there and you don't want it affecting your color. But I'm just doing swatches, so I'm not going to worry about it. And I purposely started from light to dark so it wouldn't really affect my colors that much. This next color is coffee, which is one of my favorite colors out of this collection. I'm actually thinking about doing my next set this color. Y'all comment below and let me know what y'all think. And last we have black, which is just a pure black color. When I picked up my bead, I did drain some of my liquid off. So you see, that's how my bead is nice and controllable and it's not runny or messy. So if y'all just use that tip, I promise you're not going to have problems with black or red. This is my favorite top coat I've been using lately. It's called Kiki. And I get it from my local nail supply store. Once again, we have a lot of nail supply stores by where I live. But this is the only one that sells that Kiki. And they're also the only one who sells Mia Secret products. And y'all, look at this black when it's matte. Like, I love matte black nails. It's so sexy. So we just put in the top coat on all these nails. And I'm going to put them under the lamp for 60 seconds. And at this point is when I decided, yeah, coffee is going to be my next color. It is something so satisfying about seeing this top coat go on there and that shine come through. So y'all, I was watching something on TV about these people stealing out of a gas station. And I was just having a conversation about what I would do if I was them. So y'all just listen to this.
I steal when I do got money, so just because I get caught, I can pay for it. But it's just the fact that you know what I'm saying, you might got $20, but you don't want to go in there and spend the whole 20, you know what I'm saying? So you going to spend maybe 10 and then steal your other little $4, $5 worth so you can have your money. Them folks be going there, they may be having money, but they be having a little couple dollars and shit, you know, that they want to save, stretch out, but now.
Y'all, when I get to sipping on that Douce, ain't no telling what's going to come out of my mouth. And y'all, don't judge me. These are my nails I did over a month ago. Next video dropping is going to be a full set. So here's all 12 colors from the Mia Secret Fruity collection. They all look good. I will honestly wear every single one of them. Y'all comment down below y'all favorite color and which one you going to tell your nail tech to get for your next set. So thank y'all for joining me and watching my video. Next video dropping is going to be me doing a full set using this Mia Secret acrylic collection. Don't forget to subscribe.